So typically, and this question comes out a lot when people say, well, when, like, I know at some point I'm going to get cosmetic surgery, right? Because I know I'm going to be aging and I just don't want to, um, to watch my face every day getting older and older in the mirror. But when do I start? When do I start thinking about getting a facelift? And a good test that we tell people to do, well, let me say first that, of course, the easiest way to find out would be to go to a plastic surgeon and have a conversation, right? So right there, you would have an answer. But of course, we want to take matters into our own hands most of the time, or at least many people do. So how do you would know that you might benefit from cosmetic surgery? So a very simple test. I tell my patients, you go to a mirror, you put your fingers in the cheeks here and just lift your face so gently. It's very important that you're not pulling, you're not stretching, you're not making your eyes look slanted or pulling your lips up, just a gentle lift. If you say, that just looks perfect as you do it, then you might be a candidate for a facelift. If you do this and you say, well, I kind of see no difference, right? You absolutely don't need to do anything, right? And that actually a good test because it's a double benefit. So first, you have a sufficient amount of facial laxity that ages you, right? So when you lift your skin, you see that laxity going away. Immediately, you feel like your face looks so much younger and so much more aesthetically pleasing. And the second aspect to this is that somebody's self-perception, how people see themselves. If they see themselves just looking good the way they are, no matter how much they pull, they just gonna say, well, that kind of makes no difference. I was happy with myself before, and I'm okay with it here as well, right? So like, why should I do this, go through this surgical procedure to accomplish the result that I'm not really looking for, right? So that would be a very, very good test that one can do at home in front of the mirror.